So this is your question number 4 in quiz 1. So here you have to find power observed by the three circuit elements. Power observed by power observed by three circuit elements. Three circuit elements in watts. So here you are having voltage, that is of your battery, 10 amperes current flowing, 8 amperes, and this is your 15 volts. So this is a 1 point, second point, and here it is third point. We want to find the power. Again, what is the power equation? The power equal to V into I. The power equal to I square into R. Power equal to V square by R. We have to use any one of the three following equations. So this is very simple. Within 5 seconds you can do this problem. Power observed by the three circuit elements. So here 10 ampere current is coming to this node. 10 amperes current is coming to this node, but just observation, this is a point A and this is a point B, this is a point C. Let us consider this is a node X. This is a node X. 10 amperes current is coming to this node. 10 amperes current is coming to this node, but the current is leaving from X to B is 8 amperes. 10 amperes coming here, but 8 amperes is leaving. Then what about the 2 amperes? That is flowing in this branch. They have it given. So from the observation we have to write 2 amperes current flowing here. So 10 amperes current coming and it is divided among the two branches. From X to B 8 amperes, from X to C 2 amperes. Here we have, so this the value is given in the question. This is your 100 volts and this is your 80 volts. So if I want to find the power, I need to know V I R, I square R or V square by R. So there is no any involvement of resistance. So no use. So we have to use only this equation. So power observed by the P equal to V into I. Here we have voltage, current. Just multiply them. So if I multiply these two, this one from A to X, 100 into 10, that gives you 1000 watts. 15 into 2, this gives you 30 watts. 80 into 8, this gives you 640 watts. So power observed. So this is your incoming current. So here you can apply according to your KCL, incoming current equal to outgoing current. With respect to that, 100 watts power is coming. It is divided into in two branches. Like here you can write 10 amps into 100. This is the power with respect to your incoming current of 10 amps and it is divided as 80 into 8 plus 15 into 2. So this is 100. This is your 100. 10 into 100, that is your 1000 watts is equal to 640 plus 30. So 1000 is equal to 640 plus 30, that is your 670. Just subtract. So 1000 minus 670 is equal to 0. So 1000 minus 670 becomes 330. So 330 watts. So the power absorbed by the three circuit elements is 330 watts. So this is the way we have to find the power absorbed by the any circuit element. Nothing we have done, just we have applied a KCL at this point. We have applied a KCL at this node. 10 amps is incoming current. Thus 10 amps is equal to 8 plus V. Actually it is not given. So let us consider this is a Y. So 10 minus 8 is equal to Y. Then Y is equal to 2 amperes. Just applying KCL, we got the answer. Thank you.